Speaking of begging for money, hey, everybody, trader nerds, nerdy, fun, profitable, real traders don't trade alone. They trade with their fellow friends here at Trader Nerds. And finally, yesterday, y'all, I just got sick of Don Kaufman sending me 1,800 emails every day, and I unsubscribed. I just said unsubscribe. And it said it may take a few days to take effect, but apparently it is going to save me. I figure probably 17 and a half hours a year of having to delete all these things of him begging for me to send him more and more money. Y'all, listen, if y'all send me money, that's one thing. I appreciate you being a part of the Discord. I do. But, I'm not going to beg you for money. I'm really not. So, geez Louise, man, at some point, you just gotta stop, man. You just gotta stop. Speaking of which, let's go to the mail. To go to the mail. Here we go. Here we go.
Mail time.
Mail time. Mail time. Mail time.
All right, mail time here with Sweet Bobby. So let's see what the thing was. Okay, so 2 years ago, someone said, Philip here, someone says, Bobby, how do I get the spreadsheet and follow along live? And so I told Philip how to do it. Hey, Philip, it's in our Discord. If you join our Discord, you'll get there. And then this person by the name of Jeremy comes up and says, at Sweet Bobby, not so much. I just joined and wasted a bunch of time looking, but I can find the offer for a coaching program if I want it. Well, let me tell you something, Jeremy. Look, all you had to do is join the Discord and then say, at Sweet Bobby, how do I get the spreadsheet? And I would have told you, So he said, and left now. I don't need more complication in my life. Well, listen, I said, wow, you give up way too easily. All you had to do was ask. And then I told him, plus we already have met our quota of assholes in our Discord room. So anyway, just a little slap right there. I'm like, geez, man, look, I try to make things. I don't know what the Discord, how to manage stuff. I don't know how to make it easy for y'all. I'm trying, but doing the very best that I can. But have a little patience, man. You should have went in there and said, hey, Sweet Bobby, here I am in your Discord. Now, how do I get the spreadsheet? Now, yesterday, someone took advantage of our summer special. You can get the spreadsheet and the trading plan absolutely free if you do a 7-week mentorship for $4.99. Just comment below, say, hey, Bobby, I'd like to go through your 7-week mentorship. And I've never had somebody that said, hey, Bobby, I want my $4.99 back. You get the spreadsheet for free, you get the trading plan for free, and we will get you set up. And in 7 weeks, you'll be trading this thing like a goober head. You'll know exactly what to do. So it'll be really good. So just comment below if you'd like to get in on that. But I'm not here to sell you stuff. I'm here to talk markets and to show you how we do our portfolio management. And we are up, beating the market. We are up in our other account 18.2%, and we're just kicking the market's butt. And I am fully convinced we can do 20% a year. Now, this year, we may do 40%. I don't know. I mean, we may do, we could do 40% this year. I mean, it's feasible. It's interesting. So the market today is down 17.5 points, 0.33. Y'all, it's one of those days, I'm going to tell you, the last 30 minutes of the day could be a doozy because the AD indicates that we should probably be down more than 18 points. It's negative 270. Would not surprise me at all to see a fall in the last 30 minutes of the day. VIX has popped its little head up to 13. So interesting. We're in lunchtime chop now. The hourly mid-bound is going down. VWAP is going up. These two will probably converge and price will be here at some point between the two as it kind of goes from hourly mid-band to VWAP. Let's look at the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster is at the point of control, nothing there. We have two forces pulling on it. It wants to fill this little gap right here, 53.40. It also wants to touch the 53.99. So we've got two opposing forces that are pulling against the little thing there. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression still has not figured out where it wants to go. It is in a period of consolidation. And as soon as it figures out, and I think it's going to be to the upside, we may get a good candle tomorrow that may show us that will continue going up. It could continue going down. So we'll see. It needs to make its mind up because that's what it does. It makes big moves, then it consolidates, then it has moves, then it consolidates, then it has moves, then it consolidates. And right now we are in. Now, I actually could, I don't want to do it too prematurely here, but I could say that we've already begun the up move. Let me show you how it looks here. Not exactly sure that I could pull the trigger on this, but I could say that we're kind of forming a little uptrend. So it very well may be to the upside. Let's wait for we get a candle or two outside of here before we confirm further up. So we'll leave these here just to kind of see if we're indeed making an uptrend within a consolidation period. But could be up. Definitely could be up. I know that we're going to test that 5,400 at some point. We're definitely going to test that. But that means nothing because we are quantitative traders and we deal with quantitative analysis. So we have not traded this account since 6/6. So today is 6/11/24. And let's see how our little account is doing today. And we are at 714.52. Fire up the band, Rico.
Moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Now, y'all, some of us don't even make $30,000 a year. You know, I mean, some people don't make $30,000 a year, and here we are making $30,000 on this account. We should be ashamed of ourselves. Now, it says that we're up only 6.53%. That's not entirely correct at all because we've had money going in and money going out, so it's much higher than that. But we're definitely up $30,000 on the year, so that looks really, really good. So we're really excited at that, and all of our accounts are up $81,322.47 on the year. And guys, this ain't paper. This is real money. Tasty Trade doesn't have paper accounts. We're not trying to fool you in our performance. And hey, we've had losses, and we'll show you when we have losses because we're proud of our losses. Because with our losses mean we have profits coming after the loss. We normally do. So let's see how we're doing today on our Greeks and ratios. So this account is 356,310. 356,310. 310. What does that mean? That means that we are good to go, baby. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that looks perfect because we want to be at 0.10 theta. We're at 0.11, 356. It's in the green. That means we're not, too many deltas. And let's see what our buying power looks like today. Oh, this account's just doing good. So we are at positions. Oh, we got all kind of buying power in here, don't we? So we don't count Bill. 133 and 1 and 10 is 143,000. So let's put that down. 143,000. Uh-oh. We're at 52%, y'all. 52%. Now remember our trading plan, and we need to go back to the trading plan. And the trading plan says if it is permissible to run the portfolio at approximately 50% buying power. I will a little bit when I come down, okay, baby? I'm
Do you want
red.
RED? What number?
2. He's got those little things that we had when you were kids. You play and go, what color? What
You'll
number?
have fun.
I'll have fun. Good. Okay. So it's permissible to run the portfolio at approximately 50% buying power if the underlying price is above its 200 daily moving average or the 10-month moving average, and the 10-week exponential moving average is above the 20-week exponential moving average. And both of those things are true today. I can tell without looking at them, but you can look at those charts if you want to. So I can use up to 50%. So what this is saying is that, hey, Bob, maybe, just maybe, you're using too much buying power and you need to take some off. Okay, so let's look at that. So let's see what our oldest naked position is here. And so naked put 21 here. Let's look at this. Naked put 21 is a 46.50. Let's see how it's doing today. Naked put 21. So let's go naked put 21. Why do I have micros in here? This is my big account. I didn't know I had any micros. Naked put 21. Let's see. Naked put 21. Here it is. 46.50 at 82%. Let's take it off. Everybody see what we're doing? This is portfolio management. Take it off. So let's take this off. close position, and we'll try to get out at 520. Ta-da! So let's put that in. I just love portfolio management. It's not taught anywhere. It's not taught anywhere. So this was naked put, what do we say, 21? Yeah. And we got out of this one for 520. Hold on. Let's see, 520. This is so good, y'all. And I hope y'all pick this up because it's just, I don't know, it's just empowering when you can go, hey, I'm taking risk off because I need to. So we got that one off. So we made on that naked put, let's see, we made $1,248. Applebee's. Applebee's. All right, so let's see what else we got going on here. And have we had any GTC orders filled in the last few days? Not since 6/6, so I think we've got all those in there. So and those are working actually. So here's the field one, 6/5. Yeah, so we've got all those canceled. So let's go back now and let's see if we can take one more off. Let's go back to positions and let's see if we can take one more off. We took the NP21. Let's take NP22 off. 4,600 NP22. Let's see what it looks like. NP22. Here she is. NP22, and it looks like that's up 77%. Looks like we're up $1,300 on it. Let's take it off. Leaving us with those beautiful put debit spreads, right? So we'll take this one off at 750. 750. And then we'll look at our Greeks and ratios. 750. 750. 611.24. So we made on that one, let's see what we made. $1,296. So look at us, y'all. We made $2,500 or so, over $2,500 today. Isn't that great? And we're just taking off a little risk. So see if anything tells us we need to close. Nope, everything looks good. So now let's look at our Greeks and ratios. So now our Greeks and ratios are 324, 281. 324, 281. A little light on theta, but we got it back to the 0.10, which is what our max theta should be. And our buying power now, hopefully, is under 50%. Let's see. And we've got to go to positions. We got to go to cap requirement. You got to refresh this thing so that it refreshes that. But looks like we're at 112,495 or so. Let's see if that's the case. 112,495. Well, here it says 121, 131. Let's put that in. 131. There you go. That's portfolio management, y'all. That is how you do it. You say, see, a lot of you will say, well, do I put on a new trade or not today? I won't put on a new trade. And you don't check your Greeks and ratios first. Your Greeks and ratios. This is what keeps us from blowing out accounts, y'all. When you get too big for your britches, the spreadsheet tells you what to do. So our deltas are in line, our theta's in line. It should be no more than 0.10. It is. And this should be no more than 50%. That's how you do it. All right. Good session today. Portfolio management, y'all, will make you millions and billions of dollars. I believe it totally. So y'all have a good one. I will see y'all tomorrow.